On the touchstone of the above said legal proposition, we have given our conscious thought on the material available on record. The genesis of the incident alleged in the FIR is altercation between the two child and thereafter reporting it to their families, and it has been proved that before a day of the incident there happened to be small marpeat of the children of two families, and with the result, after reporting the matter of their mothers, they have also challenged hot words. It is also established that the accused Lakshman was not present at that time, and he returned from the place of his employment in the evening of that day. It is natural fact that on coming back to home, the wife of Lakshman would have narrated the incident to her husband. Since the husband was not a witness of the incident, the genesis of the occurrence therefore could not be presumed to know the nature of the previous incident. He might have taken a serious view and acted accordingly. Now it can be safely concluded that it was not necessary for the prosecution to make out the motive. Rather, it is very difficult to meet out as to what was the mental state of the accused. Under the facts and circumstances as stated above, the alleged motive could not be said to be unnatural or concocted. Rather, it can be concluded that the previous incident appears to be the genesis of this incident by accused Lakshman. On the basis of the above legal proposition on motive, the prosecution case is based on direct ocular testimony, and the ocular testimony is found to be unimpeachable and trustworthy. Due to aforesaid reasons, the argument of the defense on motive or weak motive has no relevance. The last point raised by the accused appellant, that the accused has been falsely implicated in this case due to the alleged rivalry at the instance of Pradhan of the village Rajendra Singh. On this point, we would like to mention that it is an admitted fact that the village Pradhan Rajendra Singh had won the election against one Gore Lal, who is said to be the near relative of the accused. It is also an admitted fact that the election was over 1 year earlier to the incident. It is relevant and important that Rajendra Singh has been produced as a prosecution witness number 4. In his entire evidence, nothing has been shown to make out a case of false implication of the accused. As already stated, the election was over 1 year before the said incident. More so, Rajendra Singh Pradhan was a winning candidate. Mere relationship of the accused with Gore Lal, who was defeated in the election, cannot in ordinary course said to be the reason of false implication. Since the election had taken place 1 year back and nothing had happened in the intervening period which may suggest that Rajendra Singh was annoyed and had taken steps to harm their adversaries or to help their supporter,